Our whole world revolves around hormones, and this is more so for females. And in our video today, we are going to learn about how hormones affect female intimate wellness. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. So, the very famous female hormones, those are estrogen and progesterone. So, there's lot of fluctuations in these hormones throughout a woman's life. Let it be from the very start, that is when a woman attains menarche for the first time, and when these hormones fluctuate little bit in their adolescence, and later on through their pregnancy there are hormonal changes, and finally leading to stoppage of hormones at menopause. So as we can see, there are a lot of hormonal changes going through the women's life. When there is a good ratio of estrogen and progesterone, that implies in a feel good hormone in the women, and finally leading to a good mood and implies on their intimate health also. The most repetitive thing in a woman's life is a monthly menses, that is this 28 days of menstrual cycle. In this 28 days, the first 14 days is estrogen dominated phase, and the second 14 days is progesterone dominated phase. So the first 14 phase, estrogen makes a woman more lighter, brighter, and feel good. So finally the intimate life is better during this phase, and finally leading to the phase which is pre-menses, where it is progesterone dominated. In this cycle, the feeling of intimacy is little lower, that is libido is little less than compared to the first half of the period. These are mostly hormone driven. So now we know that good hormones lead to good intimate health in a female's life. That means there should be regular cycles, regular menstrual cycles which are occurring at 28 days cycle. These regular hormones will lead to good intimate health. So what are the conditions which will disturb these menstrual cycle? Mostly conditions like PCOS, or conditions like thyroid disorders or obesity, or any sudden lifestyle changes. So these things disturb the hormones, finally leading to irregularities in menstrual cycle, disturbing the hormones, finally leading to lack in intimacy feeling in a female. So finally it is getting us back to the very age-old saying that a woman's health is directly related to her menstrual cycle. So it's very simple to keep the menstrual cycles on track. We can achieve this by just doing regular 30 minutes of exercise per day. Just keep ourselves active, going for more good nutritional choices, eating less junk and opting more for healthy food. And yes, sleep is very important, at least 7 to 8 hours of good sleep at night. Stay well hydrated, and yes, finally keep your stress very low. The less is the stress, the better are the hormones for us. So if you feel this video is informative, please share it with your other girlfriends, and if you have further doubts, please comment below so that we can revert back to you. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.